Let it be. Let it be all. Surrender it all. Chic, Équilibre, style in nature. Oh yeah. Woo! Hi. This is Chic, Équilibre in ST-SAUVEUR. Oh yes. What you're gonna see up next is something I never did before, and I'm pretty proud to present to you Freeline, skate park, PLAZA, ST-SAUVEUR in the rain. Check this out. Invincible. Unstoppable. cozy, right here, right now, in Tribe City. Oh yeah. So, I think that I did what I have to do right now. It's pretty slippery. Get lots of water on the ground. The umbrella is awesome. For real, keeps my head dry. So, this is it. I will be back when it's not raining, but I need to do it when it's raining. Right here, right now. Peace! Chic Équilibre style! Oh yeah! Woo! I am energy. I am invincible. I create my own pathway. I am in control of my body. I am conscious and aware. I am so powerful that fear me. I surround myself in an environment that complement my energy. I raise my frequency always higher. I ground myself every single day to Gaia. Oh yes. I surround myself with angels, archangels, God and Goddess, and the Creator. I can feel it inside of me, and I am in contact with Him at all times. For me, it's always sunshine, even when it's raining. I am unstoppable. I am fearless. And I am smiling because I am doing what I love every single day, and I am the living proof that when you follow your heart, when you choose to become your greatest version, anything can happen. And everything that you desire, all your dreams will come true. I am the living proof of that. In nature, we share. Peace. Do it right here, right now. Get in the direction that will make you smile. Peace. Hi, this is Chic Équilibre in the rain, in Tribe City, in nature. ST-SAUVEUR. Oh yes. Love, compassion, and healing. Let it be all, surrender it all. Knowledge, strategy, and execution.